Hi everybody, welcome to week 15 for BCOM 3113 fall 2018. We are in sight of the finish line now. We are rounding the final turn here. So just wanted to post another video update and make sure we're all on the same page. So this is basically the last week of new coursework. Next week is dead week, and that is the week that your report is due, which has been assigned now for over 4 weeks. Let's look. So we've got obviously the final test that you have to take in here. It's not a final exam, it's just the last one. Exam number 3, it's over chapters 11 and 12. It's open book. Make sure you complete that before midnight on Sunday, December 2nd. Also this week, throughout this week, it's already Tuesday, and hopefully you're getting started on this, and we'll log in multiple times. Discussion assignment 4. This is useful, it's helpful. You are going to make a PowerPoint presentation on your report, and you're going to post it, and then you are going to look at other people's and help people think through the details. One of the things that try to put on your critical thinking cap, and basically you read somebody else's idea, try to put yourself in the scenario of where maybe you were receiving this proposal from this person. What are the possible objections that you could have, right? What are the things that are 2 steps ahead that the person really should be considering? Really try to help each other out, and in doing so, it's going to help you look back at your own report with a more critical eye, because the critical thinking part is very, very important in addition to the writing part of the assignment. And then finally, there's one more extra credit opportunity. It is a chapter 12 Connect assignment. So that is also due Sunday, December 2nd by 11:59 p.m. Want to finish this semester strong. I really appreciate you this semester being very patient. I also am going to post a news announcement as a link to please fill out the the end of the semester review and assessments for the class itself. Definitely like to get your feedback. I know I'm a slow grader, so give me some leeway there, especially with a section this huge. But other than that, what I could do to try to improve, I am open to it, because I want to do the best job that I can for you guys as students as well, and for people in the future. So please let me know. So again, as you are working to finish up this class, please reach out to me sooner rather than later. In terms of grades, there's still a few small things here and there that will be entered, but by and large, your grade is kind of where it's at, and you can take off after this week. Once you do the exam and the discussion assignment, when you're calculating your overall score, you can subtract 150 points for that final report, and then you can kind of see where you sit. If you have any questions about where you sit, if you're worried about it, this is the time to email me, is right now, not next week. In fact, after dead week, if there's questions about grades, you more than likely won't hear back from me. So anyway, please contact me if you have any questions. You want me to look at your report draft. I'm seeing some almost every day, and a lot of what I'm seeing is very encouraging. Some people are still in, have some issues that they need to work through. So anyway, get to work and reach out to me if you need it, and let's finish this whole thing strong.